Hello guys, today I will show you the About Dialog box widget. So continue the code, create new dart file, name is About Dialog, create stateless widget, class name is About Dialog. Okay, return scaffold. In the app bar, title is a text about dialog, style, text style color is a white, background color is a light green, center title is a true, and run this file in main.dart. Import the library and run it. The output will be display. Okay, in the body part I will use a center widget. In child, use a one button, elevated button. Is a child text about dialog. The button style I can set button style form. Background color is a light green and foreground color is a white. Then run. In the on press, show dialog. About dialog. Okay. You set a version name. You will set anything. Application name. You will set. I will set Flutter app. Application regular J and application icon. I will use a Flutter logo. In the children, I will use text Flutter guys. So run and continue to testing. So you can see the output. You can click view license, so license will be display. This type of dialog box you will see install application.